Hi, it's me again, Ankita. So, one of the construction workers came and told that something's broken down at Victory Boulevard in Staten Island. And so, me and my little one here, we're walking.
Hello.
We're gonna walk.
I'm kids for me.
And it's cold and his nose running. Can you see? All the snow is not doing good. Look at the jam. Look at the jam. Can you see the jam? Hope you can. It's extending throughout the Loop Road in College of Staten Island. From there I went to pick up my son. Hopefully I'll reach home soon. At least I'll be on the main road in like 10 minutes of walking. I just hope my son stays safe. Pray for us. I'll keep you posted. Bye.